Babies look sweet. Every baby is sweet and cute because they have nice filled out faces, no wrinkles. But as they grow, gravity starts to affect on them. And it's about the fourth or fifth decade of life when the changes become more apparent. It is the gravity pulls the skin down, there are hollows under the eyes, the cheeks go down, the smile lines deepen. All this is due to the descent of tissues due to gravity. Some of these tissues also thin out with age. The way to reverse that, or at least to pause the onset, the march of time, would be to add volume where the volume has been lost, to make the tissues a little thicker. And all that is done in the way of adding fillers. The special trick, of course, being to add the correct quantity and the correct place of where the filler is to produce a nice rounded look. You should use fillers when you feel that you're getting too many hollows on your face. You feel that the youth is not there, the shine of the skin is not there. And we as plastic surgeons have a simple technique that when you see yourself under light, there should be more light reflections, say from the cheek, rather than shadows. The more shadows there are, the more your skin has been pulled down. If you see a baby, the entire face has light reflection. Beauty is all about reflections and shadows. There should be more reflections than less shadows. Fillers can, once you put a filler under a wrinkle, it fills up the volume under the wrinkle. So the wrinkle is smoothened out. Fillers very well can look after the wrinkles. We at UPHI only use FDA certified fillers. That means they have been checked and proven the world over. No counterfeit ones. And these fillers have been proven safety over years. For example, in the USA, there would be over 1 million injections of fillers every year, and they are all FDA approved. The filler has to be deposited under your skin, but we ensure that you have the minimum possible discomfort. We apply a skin numbing cream to your face, allow it to act for 30 minutes or so. You could have a cup of coffee with me at that time and ask questions too. Once the skin is numbed, then the filler is deposited under the skin with the minimum amount of pain. Fillers are of various types. Some fillers can last 6 to 9 months, where the best kind of fillers can last 12 to 18 months. Gradually, the body absorbs them off, and with their absorption, the effect can get reduced. We normally would check that you're not allergic to anything. We would also check whether you are on medication of any kind. And we are concerned with medications like ecosprin or aspirin because that can cause a little bruising. So if we will request you not to have ecosprin for about 3 days before coming here, and you should not routinely be allergic to anything. The rest of it, the filler and its injection, is a very safe procedure. When you come here, after the consult, we'll be applying you the skin numbing cream. It takes about 30 odd minutes. The fillers will be deposited in about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the number of areas. And we will gently ask you to have a cold pack on it for a few minutes. So if you, at the very extent, you say an hour is more than enough. We'd put in a little cool pack on it for a few minutes so that there is no bruising. 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you're good to go. As a matter of extra precaution, we require you not to do strenuous physical exercise like gymming or running a marathon for that matter for about 48 hours. After the injection, you can go back to work to your office straight away. I am Dr. Anil Behl. You're welcome to come to the UPHI Wellness Center, which is on the Golf Course Road at Gurgaon. The number of the center is scrolling at the bottom. You will be given an appointment, and personalized care will be provided to you to give you a smooth and a pleasant experience. Now that's a very important point you brought out. You must choose the right doctor. And to choose the right doctor, you need to choose somebody who has a little aesthetic sense, somebody who's a plastic surgeon, somebody who's adequately trained, somebody who does large volume of these fillers. So that means it's not a new novel procedure for him to practice on you. One such place is the UPHI Wellness Center, where I, Dr. Anil Behl, will be there to give you a pleasant, a safe, and a satisfying experience. Thank you.